So I'm pretty sure you are aware that what this is currently returning, by returning south revenue for all the regions, would not be the same thing if we took out region from this report and replace with something else. If I take out region now and I replace with, let's say, customer segments, then you can see that the result is no longer the same thing across each segment. Obviously, if we investigate what's happening behind the scenes here, our DAX measure here says calculate revenue where the region equals to south. Okay, so now if we go and look at the filters that are in place on this report now, you see that we have columns that are represented in this report. The sales column, which gives us the revenue, is there. The region column, which we are filtering to give us south, is there. Then we have the segment column. So obviously DAX engine is going to go to our data. So let's switch to Excel screen, and then it makes everything disappears except region, segments, and sales. So leave segments, leave region, and leave sales. Every other thing should disappear. Okay, so now if we take consumer as our guinea pig and we filter to consumer, you can see that under consumer we can shrink further to take a look at south, and that's why we have what we got there for sales. So this is 195,580.97 for consumer south, which is exactly the same thing that we have here. But if I switch this again, so if I remove segments and I replace it back with region, you see it goes back to exactly what it was. So repeat the same thing for each one of the regions. So what's technically happening here is that because we are filtering the region column, which is the same column we have on this report, so the all function is going to replace every other region here with the one we have in the filter. Okay, so meaning that because we are saying that we are reporting by region here, and in our filter we are saying filter all location regions. So because we are reporting by the same region, we are simply saying that, you know what, just change the context of this my region to show that for south.